are going to see Brahmi Harvest. So this Brahmi plant, it's a herb variety. So I planted this potted Brahmi plant 4 months ago. You don't have to wait 4 months to harvest Brahmi. I think 2 months should be a good time to harvest plant and harvest Brahmi in a pot. So you only need 3 small plants of Brahmi, and then 80% of normal soil plus 20% of composite mixed in a pot, and then allow moisture rich soil would help grow the Brahmi plant in the pots. So there are a lot of good health benefits to this plant. It will help increase your memory power. It will also give you good sleep. It will prevent aging, and it will improve microcirculation, blood circulation, and then there is a lot of health benefits to it. So that's one of the reasons that people prefer to use this in their cooking. You can, if you see this plant, it will look like a brain. The shape of this, if you see here, it will actually look like a brain and then like a nerve from the brain. So that's why it's associated with brain memory power, is a saying. So I'm gonna harvest the Brahmi leaves. You can also harvest along with the stem attached to it. So, or if you prefer, you can just harvest leaves, but I usually do it with stems, and it tastes good. So this is how I harvest. I'll just leave the whole plant away and then just harvest the leaves alone. So you can cook the Brahmi plant in different ways. You can use it in soups. You can make dal out of it, and then you can also make chutney. In Tamil it's called tuvaiyal, which you can use as a side dish for steamed rice, dosa or idli. So usually people don't use tamarind while they cook Brahmi leaves, because there is a saying that if you use tamarind, it will lose its medicinal value. So people usually don't use tamarind while they cook. So in order to make tuvaiyal, all you need is a handful of Brahmi, little bit of coconut, little bit of urad dal, little bit of kadugu, and then some or half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then salt as per your taste. Season as usual with a little bit of gingerly oil, and then after that add the urad dal. Maybe you can add little bit of curry leaves, fry it for a minute, and then add tomato, fry it for a few minutes, and then add coconut, add little bit of salt, and then after it's all sorted well, you can add the Brahmi leaves. Wash it obviously before you use. As it is, you can put the whole leaf. You don't have to take the stem away, like I said. So I especially use with stem, and then fry it. Leave it leave it in the countertop for a few minutes before you fry it, and then you are good to use that with steamed rice and dosa. So that's how I make chutney. Hope you will also find it useful, chutney as well, but then you can use it however you want. So there is a lot of Brahmi leaves in here, so I'm not gonna keep you watching until I harvest all of them. Hope it's useful for them. So thank you